This is cause number 2004 CR0216, the state of Texas versus Robert Fisher. Attorneys, please make your announcements for the record.
Bud Rittenhour,
Question Plater for the state.
Bud Rittenhour, defense attorney for Mr. Fisher.
Mr. Fisher is appearing by video conference from the Bexar County Jail. Mr. Fisher, state your full name for the record.
Robert Walter Fisher.
Okay. This case was remanded for a new trial from the Court of Criminal Appeals. So we are back at the beginning of the case, and I don't believe your client has a bond set. Mr. Rittenhour, what are you requesting in terms of a bond?
Judge, we're requesting the original bond was 100,000. We believe that's appropriate. At this point, he was on bond before the last trial, had no problems. We'd ask that you set the same.
State.
Judge, there has been a change in before when he was on bond that he was found guilty of murder and he was sentenced to 99 years in prison. For those reasons, the state believes that he is a flight risk. And so the state would ask for a $500,000 bond.
Give me just a minute so I can pull up his electronic file to see if there's anything on there that I can look at. I don't have a physical file. I don't even know where that is. It's not in my office. Give me just a minute.
Yes, Judge.
Green is good.
Valerie, where is the physical file of this case?
It's been image, Judge.
I'm sorry?
It should be in 360.
Yeah, but 360 is not going to capture any violations of the bond.
The whole file gets scanned into 360, so whatever's in there. Let me look. Hold on.
When I pull anything up on 360 for this file, it's an old Java file and it does not run on my computer at all.
Judge, I did look in RJD and I did not see any violations. Not saying that that's 100% accurate, but I did not see any violations. I didn't see any bond raises or anything like that.
I have access only to the public file. I don't know if that's the same. I've studied that and not found any bond raises.
All right, I'm going to set the bond at $100,000. I'm going to order full house GPS and weekly reporting. Anything else before we go off the record?
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
Nothing from the state, Judge.
In terms of Mr. Rittenhour, I know you're new to the case and you need to get up to speed with it, but realistically, when do you think you could be ready? I'd like to give it some priority since it's so old.
Well, it is old, but there are a lot of transcripts. I mean, just going through the evidence is going to be one thing, but there are obviously trial transcripts and the writ transcripts. So I think I'm looking at 6 months, Judge.
Can I just kind of put you guys every 60 days so I can check in with you and see how far along you are? I mean, is that okay? Can we do that?
We can do that, Judge.
So, Mr. Fisher, if you make bond, you are expected to appear in court in person anytime that we have a setting for your case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So let's do August. August 24th. Actually, let's do Monday, August 23rd.
All right. That's fine with us.
And Mr. Rittenhour, you said all of the discovery is uploaded from what you can tell?
What I can tell it has been loaded in their file. We now have to download it into our.
Have you been able to get the file from his previous attorney yet?
He hasn't found it yet.
Okay.
I don't think Mr. Michelson was his trial attorney. Mr. Michelson just did the writ.
No, I've spoken to Joel Perez.
Oh,
He was trial attorney.
he was.
I've talked to him. He thinks he has it, but he doesn't know exactly where. He is actively looking for the trial right now. I'm presuming, certainly I can go with the transcripts. I'll have to get that as well.
Yeah, and I'll talk to my paralegal and see if everything is uploaded. I did see that there were video jackets, like videotape jackets,
Right.
and nothing was in them. So they also may be filed with the court with the record. So I'll also file a motion to have all of the trial exhibits returned to me. And then as soon as I get those, I'll upload those as well, bud.
Okay, and I can bring you a portable hard disk if that will make it easier.
I don't know what all it is, so I'll let you know.
All right.
All right. Thank you. We'll see you guys in August.
And Judge Madeline let me know that she still hasn't been seen. So whenever you're ready, I'll just proceed with it.
On Valdez.
Yes, Judge.
Well, let's do the writ, the bond with Robert Mauer first. That one's easier.
And Judge,
then
I
we'll do
should
Daniel.
have one witness logged on as well. Brenda Gonzalez is the defendant's mom.
I see her.
Judge, may Mr. Fisher and I be excused at this point?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Judge,
thank
I know
you.
that Melissa wanted to talk to me. Can I go and confer with her quickly while you're getting everything pulled up? Or do you want me to stay?
It will be super short.
No worries. Take your time.
I put her in 3, Gretchen.
Okay.
Brenda? Ma'am, your name is Brenda, right? You're on mute. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we're in court. Can you please put a shirt on or a blouse?
Okay, yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Galaxy Note 10, who are you?
This is Troy Thompson.